Get this, Vegas just had a home sale over $22 million, while the typical house is $480. This city split into two markets. Welcome back to Vegas Today. I'm Megan Stevens. Today we're talking about something wild happening in Las Vegas real estate. The market is splitting in two. At the very top, buyers just paid $22.5 million for a single home. Meanwhile, the typical Vegas house sells for about $480,000. Same city, two completely different worlds. So stick with me, because by the end I'll show you exactly how a normal buyer gets on this ladder, even with today's rates. Let's start at the top. The most expensive Las Vegas home sale of 2026 closed at the end of February for $22.5 million. It's inside the Summit Club, the ultra-private guard-gated enclave in Summerlin backing right up to Red Rock Canyon. This was a brand-new, contemporary custom home. Nearly 12,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, sitting on close to a full acre with a detached 4-car garage. New construction, at the very tippy top of the market. The Summit Club is where Vegas keeps its records. Homes here run from around $5 million to well over $30 million. And just recently a penthouse there traded for $21 million. Tom Fazio designed the golf course. Membership is invitation only, and celebrities and pro athletes quietly own here. When people ask where the money lives in Las Vegas, this Summerlin address is usually the answer. But Summerlin doesn't have a monopoly on the high end. Over in Henderson, McDonald Highlands holds the all-time Las Vegas record, a sale right around $25 million. It's a hillside community wrapped around the Dragon Ridge Country Club, with panoramic strip and valley views that honestly rival anything in the city. Prices there run from about $1.3 million up to nearly $30. Henderson is not the budget cousin at the top, it's a genuine rival. Right next door you've got Ascaya, those dramatic modern homes carved into the McCullough foothills in Henderson. Lots were literally blasted out of the mountain, and the architecture is straight out of a design magazine. Homes here run from around $2 million to over $10. Between Ascaya, McDonald Highlands, and Anthem Country Club, Henderson has quietly built one of the deepest luxury benches in the entire Southwest. And back in Summerlin, below the Summit Club, sits the Ridges, the community most people picture when they think Vegas luxury. Contemporary estates, bears best golf, and price tags from the high 600s all the way past $20 million. The point is, the luxury tier here isn't one street. It's a whole ecosystem across Summerlin and Henderson. And right now, it's booming. So how hot is the top of this market? In the first quarter of 2026, Las Vegas closed 412 home sales at $1 million or more. That's up 18% from the same window last year, when it was 349. While a lot of buyers sat on the sidelines waiting for rates to drop, the luxury segment just kept accelerating. And the momentum built all year. February saw about $154 million plus sales. March jumped to 193, April held around 157, and May climbed back to 170. Month after month, the high-end kept posting record-level activity. This isn't a one-off headline sale, it's a sustained trend. Look even higher and it gets crazier. In the first quarter alone, 14 homes sold above $5 million. The average luxury sale price hit $2.1 million, and the median luxury price pushed up to about $1.4 million by March, running roughly 16% ahead of last year. The rich are absolutely buying in Las Vegas right now. So why here, why now? One giant reason: taxes. Nevada has zero state income tax. When someone sells a business or cashes out stock in California, moving to Vegas can save them hundreds of thousands, even millions, every single year. For a high earner, a Summerlin or Henderson mansion can practically pay for itself in tax savings compared to what they were paying back home. There's a second reason the luxury market shrugged off high rates. A huge share of these buyers pay cash. When you're writing a check for $8 or $22 million, a 6.7% mortgage rate simply doesn't enter the conversation. That's why the top end kept setting records while the mortgage-dependent middle of the market cooled off. Two markets, two totally different rulebooks. Now let's come back down to earth, because this is the market most of us actually live in. The median single-family home in Las Vegas is about $480,000, off the spring record near $490. Condos sit around $290. Inventory's healthier than it's been in years, roughly 4 months of supply. So regular buyers finally have some breathing room and some leverage. And here's the fresh piece of news. Mortgage rates just ticked down. Freddie Mac put the 30-year at 6.67% this week. The first drop in 6 weeks, down from 6.69. It's a small move, but the direction matters, and it lands right as builders are handing out their best deals of the year. Which brings us to your on-ramp. You do not need millions to get into this market. Brand new construction across the valley starts in the mid-300s. And this is where the real deals are. Builders are using forward commitments to buy your rate down permanently into the 4s and 5s. Not a teaser, the life of the loan. And stacking on closing cost credits and design center dollars worth tens of thousands. On a new build, that beats waiting for the market. Want to be near that Summit Club energy without the Summit Club price? Look at Summerlin West and the Grand Park District. Brand new homes there start in the 400s and climb past $1 million, all backing up toward Red Rock. It's the same trails, the same mountain views, the same master plan, just an entry point a regular family can actually reach. Prefer Henderson? Master plans like Cadence and Inspirata have brand new homes from the high 300s into the 400s, with builder incentives running up to $40,000. You get that same Henderson lifestyle, top-rated schools, parks, easy freeway access, that the luxury buyers are paying 8 figures for up on the hill, just a few zip codes down the slope. And don't sleep on the Northwest, Sky Canyon, Centennial Hills, Providence. New homes there start in the mid-300s with some of the most aggressive builder incentives in the valley, cooler elevations, and quick access to the 115. It's consistently one of the best value plays in Las Vegas, and it's where a lot of first-time and move-up buyers are landing right now. So here's the play. Whether you're chasing a Summit Club estate or your very first new build, get an agent in your corner before you walk into a builder's model, because the builder's sales rep works for the builder, not for you. And having me represent you costs you nothing. The builder pays my side. If you're out of state, I'll walk any home on live video, register you so you keep your representation, and guide you all the way to closing. No stress, no worries. If this helped, subscribe. I break down a new Vegas number every single day. Tomorrow, I'm showing you the Henderson community where $1 million buys a mansion that would cost you 3 times as much up in the Summit Club. For Summerlin new construction, everything's gathered at grandparknewhomes.com. Henderson buyers, hendersonnewhomes.com. Northwest, northwestlasgasnewhomes.com. All updated weekly. I'm Megan Stephens. Follow at Megany Realty, and I'll see you tomorrow on Vegas Today. Out of state? I'll tour any home for you free. Every Summerlin builder deals at grandparknewhomes.com. Subscribe. Tomorrow, the Henderson mansion that's a steal. Follow Megany Realty.